content.
Yeah, your what?
My content.
Yeah. Yeah, it's yours. This one is yours, man. This one is yours, man. It's your content, bro. This one is ngithengele wena the phone. Go test or shoot out. So now when nobody the talk. You are the future. My sensor, no. My sensor.
No.
Yeah, we can speak English, it's fine. So that other people can hear us on the other side.
Right now. Manje futhi isirayisi sitofu ngoba uyapheka ngapha. Uyapheka le nyama le yakho kwenzakala.
So you're gonna feed them dogs, dog?
I'm feeding dogs now.
You're gonna feed them dogs, bro. You're gonna feed them dogs. Yeah? Feed them dogs. Yeah, bro. We work together, man. We are one. We are one.
My content.
Nah, my content. If I want a camera, I kick me, LMP.
Hey, my content. Intimacy. My content.
My content. My content. My content. Yeah, ziyakhe le. Ngitshayelile ngata into zakho. Senza no, siyapheka no. Siphekela izinja.
Yeah.
Okay. Cooking for them dogs. Dogs gotta eat. Them dogs gotta eat, dog. Don't worry, your camera is waiting for you, bruh. Your camera is waiting for you, bruh. Pella, now you are a celeb, bro. Mr. Wang Yu, this is your guy, Mr. Wang Yu. Yeah. Cooking for them dogs. He's a dog pound, I'm sure. Mr. Wang Yu, Wang Yu, Wang Yu. Toko zongipatala for ukushuta kanje man.
Easy swati.
Easy there. Cooking for them dogs, bro. Pega finisha kamkhulu seyinhle kanjani. Ayisakhuluma ngibo from life.
Yeah, intshintshi. Isincane leso sivalo mntwana yami. Ufuna ukuyotest. Awukholwa Thomas. Makhula ngokubona. Asilingani phela. Silingani ukuyana. Phela ngizizamile ngithi
It's my content.
It's a content.
Yeah.
Trying for my overall content.
Yeah. This is ours, not yours, dog. It's my shit, dog. It's not yours. Dog, this is my shit, dog. No, it ain't yours, dog. I don't know why I have to comment about my shit. Eba uyava?
awusavala ngantshintshi. Ye ntshintshi.
Uyava?
Yeah. Saka mixing fast.
Yabona umuntu uphuma kanjani mfethu? Abantu bakhuluma kanje ukuthi hayi content ama overall.
Madala athi abelungu babagama umchini thina basigawa umona.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, dog. Because what I'm doing here mkhulu in a year somewhere didn't so abantu sebanomona because they can recognize me. Yeah, bandlelo mona dog ngadile ngithuna and mina ngishaye content egrand. Athi content yana ama overall. Dog Espan, I'm taking your kids kill dog. Yeah, shout out to me, dog. I see abantu banomona dog. Shout out to me. I am the best. Yeah, shout out to Ama overall now.